Do birds really have a language? Some birds don't seem to have any language, but others have been studied and found to have a significant vocabulary and a way of communicating with each other. One such bird is the common crane found in Europe, and these birds will migrate south over the Himalaya mountains to their wintering grounds. So naturally it's important to do that in the safest possible way. Scientists found that these birds actually are able to discuss migration patterns. They're able to discuss the weather, the timing when they should leave, and really have a complex social language, so that when they do finally take off to migrate south, they all have the same idea of where they're headed, how they're going to get there, and the best timing.